Yo, what's up guys, it's Clownfire doing unboxing of, I don't know what it is, something through eBay I'm pretty sure. So let me open this up, show you guys. Alright, let's look at this together. Damn, see that? I got me a gray Hulk and Miss Marvel. That's pretty cool. I forgot how much I bought this for. Let me see. I got these for let me see. I believe, yeah, I got these for like 22 bucks altogether, I guess. So yeah, pretty cool. Finally got my first Marvel Universe girl. It's pretty cool. And now I have all the Hulks. Yeah. Alright guys, I got some more stuff on the way here. I'll show you. Alright guys, ready?